Today we're here in Peterborough at the Hockenhull site. We're here to look at the Big Brother drive-off prevention solution that was installed by Eurotank. I'm joined by Hendrik, who's the UK sales manager for Big Brother. So Hendrik, can you talk me through the technology behind the system?
On the forecourt we've installed two fixed outdoor cameras. With these cameras we cover the ANPR on all lanes, and we also give you direct visibility of all activities happening on the forecourt. By linking our system to other systems on site, like the POS systems and the forecourt controller, we can link data to certain images, and that's when the data and images become relevant.
And tell me, you managed to link to the DVLA on a live link, and it's real-time information.
Yeah, that's correct. So at the moment our camera recognizes license plates. It will also show the cashier what kind of make and model the car is. And we use the AI of the camera to compare the DVLA data with the car actually standing up the pump. So if the DVLA data mismatches the car at the pump, we alert the cashier as well.
The system also creates a blacklist of drive-off customers.
Yes, and it's for example when the customer drives off on your site. It's really easy to search for a certain drive-off because we create events based on the nozzle outs. So we are linking into the forecourt controller. So each time a customer lifts the nozzle at the pump, our camera knows that there's someone filling up.
So Joe, thanks very much for inviting us along to your site today. You've installed the Big Brother system. What's the results and why did you choose it in the first place?
Drive-off's always been such a big issue for us anyway, as it is for everyone. And our site here in Peterborough just seemed to be getting worse and worse and worse. Got to a situation in January, we had to start thinking about making a move. Started having conversations with Raymond and Hendrik at Big Brother. They put a proposal forward. We hesitated to begin with. Gave the option of putting it in for 6 months if the results were there. Obviously, we were keeping it, no problem. So if they weren't there, we could revert back and come out of it because they were so assured it would have the effect. News was spreading, the team were getting used to the system. We've had no drive-offs whatsoever, so it's completely done the job.
And you have a big network of stores, so the data you have, you can share with your other stores as well, so you know who the bad guys are, I suppose, from your other stores.
A lot of the drive-offs that have been done in some of the sites that are nearby, we're able to upload the same information that we've took from them onto the system, and we've actually had some of those offenders come to this site and it triggered up this vehicle has done a drive-off elsewhere. The member of staff hasn't authorised, they've gone to challenge them, they've usually just driven off. So it's had a massive effect.
Joe, thanks very much for sharing that with us. That's a really great insights and benefit of the system from a true retailer. So thank you for your time today. So Jack, you've partnered with Big Brother in the UK. How does that relationship work?
In the UK, we're able to offer the Big Brother technology to all our customers and the wider retail network. We act as Big Brother's installation partner, so in terms of this site we did all the installation work and we'll carry on doing any maintenance and servicing work as required on the site.
So thanks to Joe Hockenhull for inviting us to his site today in Peterborough. I really hope you found it useful. What I took away from today was that the end of the drive-off era is very close. If we as an industry choose to have no more drive-offs, that's now within our grasp to do that. If other retailers get on board, the bigger the net grows, more retailers sharing information, we can completely eradicate drive-offs.